Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope everything's going well, and if you're new here, welcome. My name is Melissa, and for today's video I'm gonna do a quick full face tutorial for you guys, and this is inspired for Valentine's Day. A few days ago I did a video with a little bit dramatic makeup look, and today I want to do something a little bit easier for you guys, but at the same time glam and beautiful. Alright, so before we go to this video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell because this is really important to receive all the notifications from my channel, and also like this video if you did, because YouTube will understand that you like the content that I'm being posting here and you're gonna receive all the notifications, okay? And also follow me on Instagram to see more pictures of my work and the content that I've been posting there. Alright, so now let's go. So before we get started this video, I do have a little bit of serum in my face to moisturize, and also I apply this serum before I do my brows a little bit to fill in the gaps, and also because I like to cover the microblending that I got and I don't like them too much, so I decided to cover, and that's why I have a little bit of concealer around my brows. And now to start off, I'm gonna moisturize my face a little more, and I'm gonna use the setting spray by George Cosmetics. This is the fragrance Cucumber, and it smells so good, and also this product will help me to stick the makeup in my face. Okay, so I'm gonna apply a little bit. Next, I'm gonna apply a 24-hour foundation, and this is the Born This Way Matte. I like this foundation, but for me, I like to apply just a little bit because my skin is very dry at the moment, and this is not the most right foundation for me to use, but I really like how it fits in my face. So I'm gonna use this one today, and I'm gonna use just a little bit, and also I can mix this foundation with a little bit of moisturizer, but today I'm gonna skip this step. So I'm gonna apply just the foundation, and my shade is Snail. So I'm gonna take a little bit, so I'm gonna put in my face here. I feel like I take too much product. Okay, too much. So as you can see guys, this is a matte foundation, and it looks so beautiful in the camera, but in person it looks, for me, a little bit too much matte, but I really like the effect, especially in the pictures. So if you have oily skin or a skin combination, you're gonna love this foundation. Next, I'm gonna use this full coverage, and this is the most used sculpting concealer, full coverage, Born This Way as well. Mine is in the shade Snail. I'm gonna use to cover little dark circles and imperfections. What I like about this product is the full coverage, of course, and also is a little bit moisturizing. So now that I've done the highlighting shade, I'm gonna apply contour, and today I'm gonna use the Samways. This is a cream contour, and for me, I use the shade medium 3, which is too dark, but I really like the shade. It's a little bit reddish, so for my skin it matches really well, and the color is very good. So we take just a small amount of product with the other side of the beauty blender, and I'm gonna apply directly in my skin. Now that I finished my contour, I'm gonna apply cream blush. This is from Melt Cosmetics and I really love the formula of this product. It's amazing, guys, and the shade that I'm using is Honey Type. So this is the blush light. I really love this color as well. I'm gonna apply it with the same blender. I take off the excess product here from the side of the blender and I'm gonna take a little bit and apply in the apples of my cheeks. It's very pigmented. Finish my skin with a translucent powder. I'm gonna apply Laura Mercier that I love so much. And for today's, I'm gonna use the Deluxe Brush Set by Sigma Beauty. This is amazing, guys, and I really love this PR packaging. Look at this. Stunning. So I'm gonna show you the brushes that comes here inside. So this is the brush set. As you can see, guys, they are very beautiful and the quality is so high. Hi! So I'm gonna take this one to apply the powder in my face. With the other brush, look at this brush. To set the cream contour, I'm gonna use Balm Desert by The Balm. I love the color of this contour. So I'm gonna take a small amount, as you can see. This is so easy. And now I'm gonna apply a shimmery blush right on top of the cream blush that I applied before. And today I choose Coralina by Milani. I love this marble effect. And now to finish my skin, I'm gonna use a little bit of highlighter. Today I'm gonna use Mare Luminizer by The Balm. I love this highlighter for my skin. I really love it and I almost hit the pen. I'm gonna use just a little bit in the highest points just to add some glow in my skin. I don't wanna apply too much product, you know, guys, because I don't really like too much highlighter. But this one for me is amazing. I really love the texture of the product as well. So I'm gonna add just a little bit. Sometimes less is more. And for me, it applies to highlighter. So now, before I move on to my eyes, I'm gonna apply a hydrating lip gloss by Sigma. Of course, the product is very good. It smells so good. I really love this one. It smells like fruits. Amazing. I want to remove the powder finish from my face, so I'm gonna go back with the same setting spray that I was using before. And for my eyes today, I'm gonna use the Just Matte palette by Too Faced. And the first shade that I'm gonna apply to set the concealer that I got is the lightest shade. I'm gonna use a fluffy brush to apply. This color is called Peach Meringue, so I'm gonna apply below the brows and also in the eyelid a little bit. Next, for my crease, I'm gonna use just a little bit of transition. So today I'm gonna use Peach Tea and also just Peach. I'm gonna apply these two shades together to blend into my crease. Next, I'm gonna use a little bit of eyeliner. Today I'm gonna use the liquid eyeliner pen by Huda Beauty, and this is quick and easy eyeliner. I really like the point. So I'm gonna do a little bit of eyeliner today. Now I'm gonna use Laura Mercier Caviar Stick, and this is the shade Moonlight. It's a eyeshadow stick. I'm gonna use in the eyelids. I love the color of this eyeshadow stick. So I'm gonna take with the brush that I was using before. So I'm gonna take like this, and I'm gonna apply like this. Using a small brush, I decided to smudge the eyeliner a little bit, and I add the eyeshadow stick on top just to diffuse the line a little more, as you can see here. And next I'm gonna use a dark brown eyeshadow, so I'm gonna apply this one with the same brush. And this color is called Chocolate Dipped, just to kind of set the eyeliner. On top of the eyeshadow, I'm gonna apply a pigment by Carla Cosmetics, and this is the shade Cupcake. I'm gonna apply a thin coat on top of the stick eyeshadow. Wow, this color is amazing. And this is how I conclude this makeup look. And to finish my makeup look, I just applied my fake lashes by Velour Lashes, and also I add some nude eyeliner in the waterline to open my eyes a little bit and to make it look a little more awake. So I really hope that you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much, and I see you later in the next one. Oh, comment down below what you think about this makeup look and what I want to see next here in my channel. Also, give me your suggestions of products and everything else in this beauty world, because everything I'm doing here is just for you guys. So I really hope that you like. I see you later in the next tutorials. Bye!